3 girls, 3 Jeeps, and a good 4-wheel drive track is going to make for some fantastic 4-wheel driving. So in this video, that's exactly what we've put together. Now, this trip we went on, these 3 girls came along in their Jeeps and they didn't really have a whole heap of experience, but they were prepared to give it a good go. And let me tell you, they absolutely did. They showed a few of us guys up with some of the drives, and we've got it all here in this video. So here at Map 4 Drive, I'm all about educating and building the 4-wheel drive community so we can wheel well. I'd love it if you'd hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you get those notifications.
So first up, we've got Lauren in her black JL, twin locked, the Rubicon spec vehicle, and this is about her second time out I think she's had, and the vehicle's got like 20 or 40,000 Ks on it. It's not a lot, it's brand new. Jose's spotting for her and he's our trip leader. Then we've got Mel and Jared. So Jared's spotting for Mel through the trip today. Does a fantastic job, but I tell you what, Mel, even though she's got her learner plates on, she really does know how to handle a vehicle and does a great job. And this is manual as well, so that adds to the complexity of driving. And if you've watched the previous video of this, where I'm driving the manual Bundira, you can see the trouble I'm having. So you can see how well Mel does with this over the day. And she drops down the rocks, nice and easy. There you go, job done. And then Vicky's driving this beautifully presented JK, and unfortunately she breaks down halfway down the track. She blows a rear universal joint on the tail shaft, and that was the end of the run for her for the day. But beautiful looking truck, and she drove really well for the short time she was with us. Look at that, too easy. And Lauren coming up through here.
Nice and slow. Go back. Put the lockers on and you will find the lockers. Oh, your lockers in? No, put your lockers in. Both of them. She got bellied up too late. Go back a little bit. Keep going, go back. Look. Bit more. Hold it there. Lockers in. Turn this way. Huh? Come forward, don't stop. Go. Go back. Hard lock. Go back. Bit more. Stop. Towards me. Towards me. Forward. Hard left. As you drive forward, hard left. Hard. Go. That's it. Lockers in. Both lockers, put them in. Yep. Front and rear. All right, keep coming. Going good. That's it. Go. Left. Drive. This way.
Now straighten up a bit. Straighten up. A bit more. Now turn towards me.
35.
Lockers in? Yeah. Okay. Straighten up. Roll. Watch where you're going. back a bit. Go back.
Go back a bit. Hold it there.
So you want to bump it.
Don't run me over.
You want to bump it up and then stop.
Bump it up and turn that way.
Yeah. All right. Beautiful.
That's it. Up, yep. Easy. Yep, that way. Drive a little bit, drive. This way, this way. Drive, 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 drive. That way. She's showing me up now.
So this is Lozzie's second time out, I believe, in the Rubicon. So far she's doing really well, and Jose's spotting for her.
Keep coming forward, straight forward. Keep coming forward.
It's great seeing the girls getting out here, and oftentimes they show us guys up. That's the reality of it, unfortunately. Good for our, very good for our egos.
Yeah, just go back a little bit.
So there's a very precise line that we reckon will work for this vehicle, and we just got to get her onto it.
She's got to go a bit more this way because you need to get a momentum.
Look at that, perfect, perfect. Excellent.
Second one, Vic, hold your belt.
That wasn't good. I hope that was a rock being flicked at something. Bugger.
Because Nick would have
Sorry?
one.
Not today, I don't.
Why didn't you bring any?
Nah, I broke them all. Got no spares left. I've got 3 spares, all broken.
No, I think all the blood's in his head. He's gone red.
You want to switch over? He's got 2 more turns to go.
Got your toolkit coming. No, Jared.
He wants to get dirty.
Alright, turn your wheel. Yeah, that's good. Load it up. Okay, drive, drive. You got to drive at one go. Go, go, go. Yeah! Keep going. Go, Mel! Up the left. Keep going, keep going. Oh, stop, stop. If it stalls, don't put the clutch in.
Oh, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I know. Turn it off and on. On. Go again, off and on. Alright. Load it up. Yep. Go. Straighten up, straighten up. That's it. Yeah. That's it, left.
Nice one.
Look it out.
Controlling the colour.
Go back.
Now I was standing behind Loz as she was making this climb, so I could actually see what was catching her, and it was basically the rear diff was catching on this rock shelf there. And you can sort of see the attitude of the vehicle's hanging up on that. Well, it just winds up giving her a whole heap of grief right now.
Down this way. Come forward. Go back a little bit. Other way. Keep on. Forward. Go Go back a bit. Can she bump it from there? Okay.
Packing rocks is pretty much one of the first recovery methods you'll use. And as you can see, Sean and the boys get in there, throw a few rocks in and start working out how to place them just to help her get up this rock step.
You'll miss it unless we go more right.
Go back a bit.
Big miss.
Is it missing the rear?
Yeah, I've got to put these rocks back further.
So Sean's just placing them a bit further back, which will get that back right wheel coming up a bit sooner, and the problem will be solved. Much better to do this than just start hitting things harder and faster. You'll break something.
This will do it now. They're in the right spot.
We're in the right spot now.
Has it a little bump?
Probably won't need it really.
Alright, come forward, Log.
Yeah.
Keep coming. See that one? Right.
I had to winch the Bundeera up this section, so as soon as I was just in front of Lauren, I spun around and we used my winch to pull her up over this rock step. We call this hill Toolbox Hill. So we've got hooked up to 2 recovery points, soft shackle, and then the Factor 55 ultra hook on the end of my winch rope.
That's the way, very slowly, very slowly. All right, there we go. That's good. Just keep doing that. You're doing perfect. A little bit more drive. Yep, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Let me just catch up because you're going faster than me. Okay, now driving, 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 that's it. Ah, I'm sliding, I got no more. I need another ton. I was just going to put myself against that tree. Just make sure my lights are good. All right, can we get you guys back, Vicky? Okay, I'm winching in, so now you start driving. Driving, yeah, just keep doing that. Keep going. Keep going. We're getting there. Something's coming towards me. Here we go, drive. Okay, stop there.
Bring it this way. Keep coming, mate.
Hey!
So here's Mel making the last climb. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Now if you'd like to support my channel, there's a way you can do that by using the link in the description down below and head on over to the A247 website, and you can purchase the Factor 55 recovery gear and numerous other camping and four-wheel drive related equipment from that website, and I get a little bit of a kickback which helps support me. So use the code MADMAT for any purchases that you're looking for, and you can help support us. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to getting out on the trails with some ladies again. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.